First question is given 4,521 minus 1,325 plus 785. See here, three numbers are there and two operations are there. In mathematics, there are total four operations: addition, subtraction, multiplication and division, right? There are total four operations: addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Now look, to simplify this question, here you cannot directly solve this question as here two operations present, subtraction and addition. So to solve this question, to solve such kind of questions, what you need to do, you need to copy down the question as it is. First of all, copy down the question as it is. Now in the next step, what you will do, you have to solve the first two number. Put a bracket, open a bracket before the number starts and close the bracket or end the bracket where the second number stops. Put a bracket where the first number starts and close the bracket where the second number stops. Okay. Now look here. Inside the bracket, two numbers are there and which operation is there? Subtraction operation is there. So in rough work, arrange both the number column wise. 4, 5, 2, 1 and second number is 3, 1, 3, 2, 5. Arrange both the number column wise and subtract. 1 minus 5, we cannot subtract 5 from 1. So take a borrow. It will become 11. 11 minus 5 is 6. Now look at the tens place. Ones place, tens place, hundreds and thousands place. Okay. Now look at the tens place. At tens place, 1 minus 2. It is not possible to subtract 2 from 1. So what we will do? We will take a borrow from 5. It will become 11. And here only 4 is left. Now solve a tens column. 11 minus 2. 11 minus 2 will give you 9. Now solve a hundreds column, which is 4 minus 3. 4 minus 3 is 1. Now solve thousands column. 4 minus 1. Your result is 4F नहीं हुआ. So इस ये ब्रैकेट को सॉल्व करने पे रिजल्ट क्या आया है? 3,196. Now you solve the bracket. Now write all the remaining part. जो भी remaining part उसको as it is लिख लो. Plus was remaining and 785 was remaining. Okay. Now in the next step, solve this. 3196 plus 785. So arrange 3196 and 785 column wise and add both the numbers. 6 plus 5 is 11. 1 in result part and 1 is carry forward. Now 1 plus 9 plus 8 is 18. 8 in result part, 1 carry forward. Now add all the digits in hundreds column. 1 plus 1 plus 7 is 9. And 3 as it is. So after addition of 3196 plus 785, we got 3981. This is how you have to simplify. Now question number 2. Again 3 numbers are given. Okay. Now again, as I told you, where you will put the bracket when the first number starts. Before the first number starts, open a bracket. Then where the last second number stops, close the bracket. Now note down as it is. Now in the next step, solve with this bracket. To solve this bracket, what you need to do? You need to arrange both the numbers column wise, and then whatever the operation is inside the bracket, apply that operation. So in rough work, I'm going to arrange both the numbers column wise. Here minus sign is there, so put minus sign. Now subtract. 5 minus 9, not possible because 9 is a greater number than 5. So we need to take a borrow. It becomes 15 and here only 5 left. Now solve a ones column. 15 minus 9. 6 is left, right? Now solve a tens column. 5 minus 6. It's not possible as 6 is larger than 5. So what we will do? We will take a borrow from 7. It will become 15 and here only 6 is left. Now solve tens column. 15 minus 6. 9 is left. Now solve hundreds column. 6 minus 8. It's not possible to subtract 8 from 6. So what we will do? Again we will take a borrow from neighbor. And here only 7 is left. Now 16 minus 8. 8 is left. Okay, now 7 minus 2. Solve with thousands column. 7 minus 2 is 5. So इस ब्रैकेट को सॉल्व करने पे क्या आ गया है? 5, 8, 9, 6. Now copy down the remaining part of the question, which is minus and 5406. Now look at the board. You are having two numbers and one operation is there. You know how to solve. Again in rough work, you have to arrange both the number column wise and apply the operation. Here minus sign is there, it means subtract. 6 minus 6 is 0. 9 minus 0 is 9. 8 minus 4 is 4 and 5 minus 5 is 0. So result is 490. All the students take a screenshot. Have you taken a screenshot? Am I audible or not? Reply in the chat box. Can I clear board? एक मिनट शेयर करती ना बोलिए Now question number 3. In question number 3, 4 numbers are given and 3 operations you need to perform. The given numbers are 4036 minus 1952 plus 3945 minus 3187. Now to solve, first of all, write the question as it is. Okay. Now we will solve two numbers. So put a bracket before the first number and close the bracket after the second number. Now solve with this bracket in rough work. Arrange both the numbers column wise and apply the operation. Here minus sign is there, so we will perform subtraction. 6 minus 2. We always perform subtraction from one's column. So 6 minus 2 is 4. Now solve a tens column. 3 minus 5. You cannot subtract 3 from 5 from 3. So you need to take borrow. It will become 13. 13 minus 5. Solve it. 13 minus 5. 8 is left. Now solve hundreds column. 9 minus 9 is 0. And then thousands column. 3 minus 1 is 2. So when we solve this bracket, we got 2084. Okay, after solving this bracket, we got 2084. Now note down the remaining part of the question, which is plus 3945, then minus sign, then 3187. Okay, now again, 3 numbers are there, 2 operations are there. So again put bracket before the first number and after the second number. Close the bracket. Now solve this. So this bracket says that there are 2 numbers and you have to add them. So these 2084 plus 3945. 2084 plus 3945. Now add both these numbers. 4 plus 5 is 9. 8 plus 4 is 12. 2 in result part, 1 is carry forward. Now solve a hundreds column. 1 plus 9 is 10. So 0 in result and 1 is carry forward. Now add thousands column. 1 plus 2 plus 3 is 6. So after adding, we got 6, 0, 2, 9. Now this 6029 is the solution of this bracket. But what about this remaining part? अभी तक हमने इस remaining part को solve नहीं किया. So as it is, copy down in the next step. Okay. Now this step is saying that 2 numbers are there which you need to subtract. So arrange both the numbers column wise and subtract. So 6029 minus 3187. Subtract them. 9 minus 7 is 2. 2 minus 8 not possible. So take a borrow. It will become 12. 12 minus 8. 4, 9 minus 1, 8, and 5 minus 3. 5 minus 3 is 2. So after solving this step, you will get 2, 8, 4, 2. So this is the solution of question number 3. Now question number 4 and 5 are your homework. Question number 4 and 5 are homework. Quickly note down or else take a screenshot. Quickly take a screenshot. Question number 4 and 5 are homework.
नंबर लिखना है आपको लिखना
Can I clear board? Now from question number 6 to question number 9. All are word problems. Let us solve them. Read question number 6. Read question number 6. A man earns rupees 6,595 per month and his wife earns rupees 2,585 per month. If they spend 7,800 per month, how much do they save each month? First of all, we will find out the total earning. Man earn is equal to rupees 6,595. 6,595 and his wife earns rupees 2,585. Now find the total earning. To find the total, what we need to do? We need to add both the numbers. Add them. Always start addition from one's column. 5 plus 5 is 10. 1 carry forward. 1 plus 9 plus 8. 18. Again 1 carry forward. Now add hundreds column. 1 plus 5 plus 5 is 11. 1 in result and 1 is carry forward. Now add thousands column. 1 plus 6 plus 2. 9. So total earning is 9,180. Total earning is rupees 9,180. Now what is written in the word problem? If they spend rupees 7,800 per month, एक्सपेंडिचर कितना है उनका, कितना खर्च कर रहे हैं? दे आर स्पेंडिंग रुपीज 7,800. Therefore, saving is equals to total minus expenditure. So total amount क्या था? Total amount was rupees 9180 minus expenditure was rupees, तो subtract करना है. So after subtraction, what is the saving? Rupees 1,380 is the saving. Saving is rupees 1,380. Take a screenshot. All of you take a screenshot. टाइमिंग देख रही हूँ ना, टाइम टेबल देख के 12:30 तक चलिए. Okay, now read question number 7. All of you read question number 7. The total number of books in a library are 8,967, which includes textbooks and books on fiction, travel and biographies. If there are 2,805 textbooks and 1,789 books on travel and 785 books biographies, then how many books on fiction are there in library? Number of fiction books हमको find out करना है.